everybody, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. I got some cool things today. I went, and anybody who knows what this is it's a box of queens. Let me open them up. I just got back, and got 10 mated queens. Gonna make some splits, and I've got a couple queen cells to try to requeen a couple colonies, but got my work cut out for me today. So I'm not gonna do any up close GoPro, but we're gonna try to get some good footage and show you what we're doing. So we'll see you guys here shortly. All right, so might have a problem. I went inside to get my gloves. Turn around, it looks like we got swarmage. We got a swarm happening somewhere. I don't know what colony they're swarming out of, but I definitely have a swarm happening as we speak. I don't know what colony they're swarming from or where they're swarming to. Don't know, but it definitely looks like a swarm, guys, happening. Now I'm going to try to follow them. Of course, it happens when I got stuff to do. We have a swarm. Look at this. Holy crap. And I don't know which colony swarmed, but I'm gonna try to find the queen. Imagine she's inside, but heck, it looks like they could be splitting up into two right there. That kind of messes up my splits. But they're moving right in. And that happened pretty quick. I don't know which colony it is, but they decided they needed a new house. And it wasn't like this when I pulled in. I went and got my jacket because I got queens. And yeah, I got the queen sitting in the shade, so that's good. But they decided they liked this box on the end, it looks like. And they didn't ever go on a tree. They went straight to the box. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess if they're gonna swarm, at least they swarmed into my own box. That wasn't what I had planned, but for today. But yep, they decided to move in over here. They're fanning. See if I can get closer. But she does the job, I guess. Look at this one. It's kind of light. I mean, it's laid up pretty good on that side and on that side. Again, I just never see her in here. She might be one of them bottom walkers. She just likes to walk around the bottom of the colony. And they just may not like me. They got this attached to the wall. I mean, they're flighty, but they're not like stinging me like they were. This has pollen and drones. and it's kind of crazy wonky comb. We're just gonna move everything over. I'm gonna scrape this wall. Put this comb over here. See, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So somehow I grabbed one from the other side. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, this colony's a little hot sometimes. Give me a second here. Today's been a crazy beekeeping day. I've had live, and I'll tell you how to start it out. So I went to a queen supplier, got some queens. Full intent today was make splits and you know, get the queens put up, whatnot. But I was standing right in here trying to film a video earlier, getting ready to film a video, and I forgot my gloves to my jacket. So I went inside, and when I came out, I had a swarm. As you can see, they're behind me still. And the swarm decided it was going to it chose this box right here on the end where there's a couple bees still hanging out, checking it out right here. That's where they went in. So I'm going through making my splits with my queen cells and my queen cells and my mated queens today. And I get near the end and all the bees start taking back off again. So they go flying. And as they go flying, they didn't find anywhere to land on in here. They were just kind of flying around everywhere. And I had my swarm bucket there, and I took my swarm bucket off the tree. Well, first I sprayed it with a 1 squirt of Swarm Commander, and then brought it down here. Looks like they're trying to swarm out. I got a bee in my head trying to sting me. Yep, got her. All right. Ow! That one did get me. Son of a gun. See? You can't sting me no more. You got your stinger out. All right. So anyway, let me move my whole video. Man, what is going on? I didn't do nothing to you. Leave me alone. So anyway, they're trying to sting the crap out of me now. So at any rate, I got them boxed up. And got a disc on the front so the queen can't get out. Let me just come over here. And I've got a little bit of footage of it, but by the time I caught the swarm, and and did my splits and everything. I got a little bit of footage, and by the time I found out which colony split, which was until I was all the way, or swarmed, it was all the way at the end, because it was actually a nuke that swarmed. For what ungodly reason? Because it hadn't been in that box that long. So that one got swarmed out, and that's the one I've been chasing all day. But I did get stuff split, and added, actually, well, anything that was not queen right is queen right today. And I took some good splits off of colonies. One of my tall colonies that was a double deep, but it was queenless. I split it in half, divided the resources, divided what little bit of brood was left in there, and gave each side a queen. So now I turned, hopefully, knock on wood, I turned one single queenless double deep into 2 queen right 10 deep or single deep. So we'll see what happens. But that's pretty much what happened today. And I've been going ever since I got up this morning. So try to get this out for you. Try to edit some swarm clips in, because I got a little bit of that. Not too much at the end. It was on the little live feeds. Got a rooster. That's Elvis coming to see us, y'all. Elvis is in the building, because all the girls go crazy for Elvis. So anyway, we will see you guys on the next episode, or next live stream, or next something, and I'll try to edit some footage in here. Thanks.